Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, here in this given problem, this is a frictionless inclined surface having a smooth pulley, massless pulley attached at its vertex. This is a block of mass m1 kept over the inclined surface, a massless string passing over the pulley and holding the two blocks at rest. Weight of the block of mass m2, m2g acting vertically down, tension T in the string, same tension will be in the inclined segment of the string. This angle theta, weight of the block of mass m1 means m1g acting vertically down, its two components, because this angle will be theta, will also be theta, component m1g cos theta acting perpendicular to the inclined plane and along the inclined plane m1g sin theta. Okay, now mass per unit length of the string mu, that is given as 0.025 kilogram per meter, and speed of the transverse wave generated over it v is equal to 75.0 meter per second. As the blocks are at rest, so using free body diagram of the block of mass m1, T1 T is equal to m1g sin theta, means we can say m1 is equal to T upon g sin theta. And then using FBD of free body diagram of the block of mass m2, for it tension T is m2g, so m2 may be given as T by g. Okay, now angle theta here, that is 30.0 degree, and using an expression for the speed of the transverse wave generated over the string, v is given as the square root of T by mu. So v square will be equal to T by mu. So tension in the string, that is v square multiplied by mu, means square of 75 multiplied by 0.025 comes out to be equal to 140.625 Newton. So m1, that will be given by T by g sin theta, means 140.625 divided by 9.8 into sin 30 degree, means m1 is calculated to be equal to 28.7 kilogram, and m2, that is just T by g, means 140.625 divided by 9.8 only, and m2 is calculated to be equal to 14.35 kilogram. So these two are the answers for this given problem here. Thank you.